Who are we? We are Katay Machine Engineering, an award-winning company that was among Turkey's top exporters last year. With our Dynawrap horizontal stretch wrapping and packaging machines, we export to more than 40 countries across 5 continents. Our goal is to continue contributing to the national economy by producing value-added products in this field. What we do at Dynawrap, we manufacture high-quality orbital stretch film wrapping machines for the woodworking industry. These machines have been successfully used worldwide for over a decade. Here are 6 reasons to choose Dynawrap. Quick return on investment, ROI. We ensure your investment pays off rapidly, within 6 to 12 months. Quality. We provide top-quality machines with superior materials and components. Increased productivity. We enhance productivity with minimal downtime and easy product changes. User-friendly. Our colorful touch panels and user-friendly interfaces contribute to efficient operations. Full support. We guide your transition, offer tailored solutions, and provide remote support. Technological innovation. You'll be equipped with our latest technology solutions to stay competitive. We'd like to express our gratitude to our customers and friends who joined us at the 3rd R&D and Industry Fair in Eskişehir, Turkey, from September 27th to 30th.